In this My Place Learning Short, we'll be going over the back panel legal settings as of version 6.7.10. This section can be found by first navigating to the settings component in the side menu, and the legal section can be found near the bottom. Just click to expand. As you can see, there are two separate tabs here, each one representing a tab that can be accessed from the legals page within the app. As a reminder, this page can be made available from places like the sidebar as demonstrated here, but could also be available from the tabs, home screen, or profile buttons. While we're up here, I'll also remind you that the overall design of the legals page takes its theme from the app configure settings. But back down to the legals section, the options on both of the tabs are the same. We can change the tab title if we'd like to. Of course, could be left generic, but you may opt to customize it instead. And as for the content of the tab, one option is to enter text like we've got here for the terms and conditions. Just make sure the Enable Web View Navigator toggle is off. In that case, the text editor will be available, which, while not as robust as other text editors out there, is certainly adequate for these purposes. It does include some standard text enhancement options, supports the ability to add lists, adjust the text alignment, and more. Just remember that any colors that are configured here will be overridden by the app's overall theme. Now, the other option, rather than adding text from back panel, is illustrated on the privacy policy here, where we've got the Enable Web View Navigator toggled on. This option lets us reuse legals that we have on a website as opposed to entering and configuring the text in back panel. Not a great sample from the example used here, but it does demonstrate that we'll be able to navigate to the URL right from the legals page within the app.